Hi, my name is Beck.
My name is Daniel.
My name is Josh.
Hi, I'm Felix.
Hi, my name is Shane Bush. I am the instructor at PVNet for documentary video production. I really enjoyed teaching at PVNet because there's so many different subject matters. There's so much different, interesting technology that people are utilizing. You know, kids will take my class and then the next class they'll be building Minecraft servers. I just love that there's so many different avenues for kids to be creative.
In this class, I learned how to correctly use a camera, how to appropriately light a scene, how to conceptualize a scene, refine those ideas, and turn it into a 60-second short film about our reliance on technology.
I learned how to use a green screen, and I also learned how to use the Adobe Premiere interface.
Adobe Premiere is a video editing software that's used by anyone from filmmakers to YouTubers and even to random kids who just want to make videos.
Probably the most interesting skill I learned was to use a green screen, because I've always wondered all my life, do people really just float around in space to do acting? And now I know exactly how to do it.
We created a lot of interesting things in this class. I created a sophisticated experimental ARG YouTube channel named Buttle's Cellular Service, for short, Buttle Cell.
I learned how to edit film, use a green screen, use cameras, basically everything I know about cameras, how to edit film using Adobe Premiere, and a lot of other things, to say the least.
So one of the best skills I probably learned, and it's probably one of the most comical skills that I learned in this class, was to make synths out of basically any sound on an audio editing software called Ableton. So for example, we made some guitar sounds with a ruler and a rubber chicken using grass.
One of the interesting things I learned in this class was that there's a hidden sound effect in many popular movies that's called the Wilhelm scream. You'll probably notice it if you watch it a couple times.
One of the most interesting things I learned in this class was how Star Wars, one of the most well-known and influential movies of all time, would have been a disaster without the genius of the editing team.
In talking about how editing can make or break a film, we watched a few videos about how Star Wars really was made in the editing room. The film apparently was kind of a meandering mess in its initial assembly cut.
I watched the video and I was like, this is interesting, and then I watched the movie, I'm like, oh, compared to what it was going to be, it just flows better. You're not bogged down with information. The story moves cleanly.
It was really powerful to see the kids really get that when you're editing your video, you're almost creating a new video than what you initially thought of. But that's an opportunity you have in the editing bay to kind of think of a new way for your story to work. It was really cool to see the kids really get into that. That was really cool to see.